Hello everyone, this is RKV and you are watching Unreal Universe. Samsung is all set to finally unveil the Samsung Galaxy S9 and S9 Plus. A bunch of rumors and leaks have already told us everything we need to know about S9, but the mystery was price. Even Blas, a trusted source of leak and rumors, has recently tweeted the pricing of S9 and S9 Plus. So let's see what he revealed. The Galaxy S9 is reported to be starting at 841 euros in Europe. On the other hand, S9 Plus will cost around 997 euros. But directly converting these values into dollars using direct conversion would be insane because phones in Europe are usually expensive because prices are dependent on carriers and also include taxes. For last year's Galaxy S8 that was priced at 800 euros, but in US it was priced at $725 directly from Samsung. So proportionally S9 would cost between $700 to $800 and S9 would cost between $900 to $950, which is equivalent to last year's Note 8. I think that the pricing of Samsung Galaxy S9 is far way better than the iPhone X. What do you think about it? Tell me in the comment section below. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out. Subscribe to our channel for latest tech videos and hit the bell icon to get all our notifications.